Hello everyone, this is my review of this outdoor rocking chair, and it's quickly become my go-to spot for unwinding outdoors. Cleaning is effortless, a quick towel is all you need. This chair feels solid and supportive. It holds up to 260 pounds with ease, and the sturdy build gives me confidence it'll last through all seasons. Assembly was manageable solo, though a second pair of hands helps align the rocker base. Instructions were clear, and once tightened evenly, the rocker feels secure. The seat is wide and deep, ideal for relaxing evenings with a pillow or blanket. The rocking motion is soothing, just enough to gently rock without feeling overly bouncy. My favorite part, it fits beautifully on my narrow porch, compact design, but still comfortable for taller users. I've gotten plenty of compliments on its look and craftsmanship. Bottom line, stylish, sturdy, and easy to maintain, this rocker is a fantastic addition to any outdoor space. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.